Hi guys, thanks for coming back to my channel. I missed a week last week and I'm sorry. Um, but it's a new week, it's a new day. Today's name is Wednesday for me, so happy day whenever you're watching. It is a good day so far. It's been a good week. We had our field trip yesterday that went very well. We partnered with a company who sends water filters to Rwanda. So yesterday we started our year-long exploration of water that we're going to be studying this year in science, and it was really good. A lot of my students got the message. Today we're talking about in science invasive species, because that's what we're talking about with Lake Michigan, how zebra mussels are invading our space. Right now, my kids are at specials. My afternoon, I actually have an hour and 45 minutes. They go from specials for 40 minutes to lunch for 30 minutes and then to recess. And I only have to be there during recess. So maybe not an hour and 45 minutes because I do have to take the last shift. Lipstick color, trying something new from, it's in my purse, but it's from MAC. It's not the color I was looking for, but it kind of goes well with my outfit today. Hopefully you're following me on Instagram. I do post an outfit of the day, and I'd love to hear your feedback. If it looks comfortable, if it's something you would wear, if you want to know where I got it from or whatever. So this afternoon we're doing math, rounding decimals. I'm going to start that today. It is Wednesday, like I said, and it's going to take us all week to finish up this lesson. So, and then this afternoon we're also doing writing. That's just how my day split up. So, again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy the rest of the week video that I have attached here, and I'll see you next week. Hi, friends! It's Friday at 3 o'clock, and I'm home in my bed. You can't ask for better than that, right? So it was early release day, and we got out early as well because we had class last night until we got done with class at 8. So, yeah. But I wanted to end this vlog with a bit of asking for your help. So this year I have 25 students and my class is amazing. I am falling in love with all of them, They are bright, they are funny, they have so much going for them, and I want them to know that. If anything else, I want them to know that they have a bright future ahead of them. But I came here for advice. Out of 25, I have one student that can't figure it out. So I want to end this vlog asking for your advice. So this student, it seems like it's completely for attention. This student is quite intelligent, has a very high NWEA score, you know, check the home, things like that. So right now there seems to be no other reason for the behavior except for attention. So what do I do? I'm at the point where I'm going to let my class know next week we have to ignore the behavior, and I'm going to ask them at first to ignore it, and then if that doesn't happen, then I'm going to have to set consequences not only for that student but also for the student that's giving the attention. And I don't want to do that. There has to be something else. Tried behavior plans, had meetings with the parents, with the administration, and the behavior plan was never even agreed to. So a dear friend of mine, if you hear a dog snoring, that is my adopted girl, Gracie. We adopted her from Diary of a Mad Black Teacher. She has become a real life friend. And so, you know, she's been telling me that I have to start documenting these things. I have to start writing them up. By the way, if you have not checked out her channel, she's awesome. She's a true friend. You know, when you get to know her, she is a true friend, and I love her. She's in her 21st year of teaching, and I needed her in my life at this point. You know what I mean? When you need someone in your life like that. And so I'm able to vent to her, you know, and so I started doing that this week. I started documenting and writing everything up. Well, I send them out with a write-up to the office, or send this student out with a write-up, and they come right back. The student comes right back. And so I'm at a restorative school, so they don't really like suspensions and things like that. Help. What do I do? Behavior plans. Help. What do I do? I have a whole book of behavior plans, and nothing is working. And as you know, the book is different than real life. So what do you do for that one student who is completely disruptive? It's not their classroom, it's my classroom. I need to have more control over this. What can I do? Right? That's where I am, and I'm asking for your help. Please leave comments below. If you're on Instagram, let's start a discussion. Help me out. I have great behavior plans, but it's this one student, and the student says no one in the class likes, you know, they're not liked by anyone in the class. They've not been liked for years. I've not known this student for years. I'm new to this school, you know, and so what do I do? Leave comments below. Let's talk about it. Help me out.